combination or propagation of error. First is error in sum. Error in sum means if the result is obtained by the sum of the two physical quantities. Means how x is the result obtained by taking the sum of the two quantities a and b, right? A is first observation, b is second observation. When you take the sum of these two, then you are getting the result x. So we have to calculate how we can calculate the error in this sum. So we assume let plus minus delta a be the absolute error in a. Absolute error in a. Yesterday we have discussed absolute error. This absolute error is the difference in the true value or the mean value and observed value. So this may be positive or this may be negative. That's why I have put here two signs. That's why I have put here two signs, plus minus. Let plus minus be plus minus b plus minus delta b is the absolute error in b, and plus minus this triangle is named as delta. Yesterday I told you plus minus delta x. This triangle is named as delta. This is absolute error in x. This is absolute error in x. Right, student? The result is obtained x equal to a plus b. This is equation number 1. So you can write x as, x को आप क्या लिख सकते हो, x plus minus delta x. a को आप क्या लिख सकते हो, a plus minus delta a. और b को आप क्या लिख सकते हो, b plus minus delta b. In equation number 1. Student, जब whenever we calculate absolute error in any of the observation, कल हमने एक क्वेश्चन किया था, उसमें हमने लेंथ L1, L2 5 लेंथ्स दी थी, L2, L3, L4, L5, ठीक है. फिर हमने उसकी मीन लेंथ कैलकुलेट की थी, फिर हमने उसका मीन एब्सोल्यूट डेल्टा LM कैलकुलेट किया था. तो हम उस L को क्या लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज LM प्लस माइनस डेल्टा LM. इसका मतलब क्या है, जो लेंथ है, ये लेंथ्स हैं that lie in between LM plus delta M, LM plus delta M and LM minus delta M. कहाँ लाई करेंगी ये, LM plus delta M और LM minus delta M के बीच. ये पॉइंट सबको क्लियर हुआ. प्लस माइनस डेल्टा एम मीन्स इसकी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी हो सकती है, LM प्लस डेल्टा एम, और मिनिमम वैल्यू कितनी हो सकती है, LM माइनस डेल्टा एम. यस, इज इट क्लियर? Aditi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So x, in place of x, I have written x plus minus delta x. Vineet, is it clear? Vineet?
Yes, ma'am.
In place of x, you can write x plus minus delta x. A, in place of a, you can write a plus minus delta a, plus b की जगह मैंने लिखा b plus minus delta b. So what is this? You can write this as x plus minus delta x equal to, combine these two terms, a plus b plus minus delta a plus minus delta b. What is a plus b from equation number 1? You can write it as x. Yes. So this get cancel out, x से x क्या हो गया, cancel out. And what is plus minus delta x? Plus minus delta x is plus minus delta a plus minus delta b. Plus minus delta b. Is it clear? What is delta x? It is the absolute error in x. So how many 4 possible values of delta x are there? There are 4 possible. ये मैं रेड पेन से लिख रही हूँ. 4 possible values of delta x are. कौन कौन सी? इसके 4 कॉम्बिनेशन बनेंगे बेटा. plus delta A plus delta B plus delta A minus delta B, क्योंकि 4 साइन है ना, प्लस माइनस minus delta A plus delta B minus delta A minus delta. These are the 4 possible values. These are the 4 possible values of absolute error in X. Yes, got this point? All of you have got this point? Four possible values of delta X are plus delta A plus delta B plus delta A minus delta B. Yes, is it clear? Done? Kunal Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Kunal तो भी ज्वाइन कर रहा है. Someone has joined late. किसी और ने भी ज्वाइन लेट किया. Aryan Aryan Sharma. My voice is audible to all of you or not?
Yes, ma'am. It is audible.
Audible, ma'am.
There are few students, those who are not giving any response. I don't know. So there are 4 possible values: plus delta A plus delta B plus delta A minus delta B minus delta A plus delta B. So what are the 4? What is the maximum possible absolute error in A? Maximum possible error is
Plus delta A plus delta B.
yes, plus delta A plus delta B. Very good. And what is the minimum possible error? Minimum
Minus
is
delta A minus delta B.
very good. Minimum possible error is minus delta A minus delta B. Minus delta A minus delta B. This is the maximum value and this is the minimum value. How we will use in numericals, that I will discuss after discussing error in difference. इसका numerical हम दोनों के इकट्ठे discuss करेंगे. Here the result is obtained by taking the sum of the two quantities. Now I will say error in difference. Correct? All of you have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is
Yes,
error in difference. Error in difference means the result is obtained taking the difference of the two physical quantities. X equal to A minus B. Again I will take, let plus minus delta A be the absolute error in, this is said to be mean absolute error. Whenever you have one observation, yeah, this is absolute error in A plus minus delta B. This is the absolute error in B. Plus minus delta X. This is the absolute error in X. Put this value in above equation. So it become X. You can write first equation as X plus minus delta X, A plus minus delta A, minus of B plus minus delta B. You can write A as A plus minus delta B and B as B plus minus delta B. Now X plus minus delta X is equal to A plus minus delta A, open this negative sign, minus B. Now the sign get changed. It become minus plus. देखो students, इसमें आप minus plus ऊपर लिखे है तो 2 ही signs ना, तो it doesn't make any difference. X plus minus delta X, आप इसको combine कर लीजिए, A minus B, A और B को combine करके plus minus delta A minus plus delta B. Yes, this step is clear.
Yes.
माइनस
Yes,
प्लस को
ma'am.
मैं ऐसे बार बार माइनस प्लस नहीं लिखूंगी, मैं इसे प्लस माइनस ही कर देती हूँ. It only shows, or what is this a minus b? It is x. x प्लस माइनस डेल्टा ए प्लस माइनस डेल्टा बी. अब ये मत सोचना मैम ने पहले माइनस लिखा था, यहाँ प्लस, मैंने सिर्फ चेंज किया साइन को और कुछ नहीं. इट मीन्स इट हैज टू पॉसिबल वैल्यूज, प्लस एंड माइनस. ठीक. नाउ प्लस माइनस डेल्टा एक्स is equal to plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Now, how many 4 possible values of delta X are there? This is the absolute error in X. There are 4 possible values of delta X are plus delta A plus delta B
plus delta b
plus delta A minus delta B
minus
minus delta A
delta
plus delta B and minus delta A minus. जैसा सम में था सेम डिफरेंस में. What is the absolute error in sum and what is the absolute error in difference? That is this one. This is the result, and this is the maximum absolute error, and this is the minimum absolute error. Right, this is the error in sum and error in difference. See, हमने sum में भी same result लिया था और difference में भी same यही result आया. हाँ जी, आया है बेटा, आया है.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have done this. Now I am discussing its numerical. I am removing this. All of you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, write down the question. First numerical. Question number 1. Question number 1 is the length of 2 cylinder is length of, note down the statement, length of 2 cylinders are to be measured. L1 is 5.62 plus minus 0.01 सेंटीमीटर. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स में ये वैल्यू ऐसे दी जाएगी. इसका मतलब होता है दिस इज L1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा L. ये L1 की वैल्यू और ये क्या है? प्लस माइनस डेल्टा L. दिस इज द एब्सोल्यूट एरर इन L1. Yes, is it clear? And length L2 is, सेकेंड सिलेंडर की लेंथ आपको गिवन है 4.34 प्लस माइनस 0.02 सेंटीमीटर. Question is calculate the difference. Calculate the difference in lengths with error limits. Calculate the difference in the lengths with error limits. Do you know what is this? If I will say what is this? This is L2 and what is this? Delta L2. This is plus minus delta L2. So how the result is obtained? You have to calculate the difference. How the difference is calculated? You can calculate the difference. L is equal to L1 minus L2. L equal to L1 minus L2. The result is obtained by taking the difference of the two quantities. So what is L1? 5.62. What is L2? 4.34. Subtract it. कितना आएगा ये? 8 to 1.28 centimeter. This is the simple difference, right? And now you have to calculate absolute error in delta. So how the result is obtained? By taking the difference of the two physical quantities. by taking the difference of the two physical quantities, L1 minus L2. So how the delta L is calculated? Plus minus delta L1 plus minus delta L2. It is delta L equal to, what is delta L1? 0.01. What is delta L2? 0.02. So delta L is simply you have to add them, plus minus 0.03 centimeter. So answer is difference in the length with error limit is 1.28 plus minus 0.03 centimeter. 1.28